to give you during elections. But it is well. That's why we're here. Our job as financial advisors, will I say financial advisor, but money coach, to be able to mentor people on how to build their wealth, how to manage their resources, how to diversify other legitimate ways to make money without having to be what do we call it now? Without having to be pawns in the hands of politicians that direct wherever wherever they want you to go. So today we have, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Mayo Olabi. He's going to be taking us on Forex trading. Forex is one of the businesses I recommend. I recommend crypto Forex, but I recommend that you do it with mentorship, training, and exposure, and that you should never do it without proper training. So that has been always how we have recommended anything that we do. So, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Mayowa Owolabi. Please take it away.
Thank you so much, Dr. Stephen. Super excited to be on here today. My name is Mayowa Owolabi. I'm really excited. Thank you so much, Joshua. Joshua has the gift of following up and communication. I will say that you have learned well. Well done, Joshua. Well done, guys. SA team, really appreciate. Everyone, I want you to put in 77 for Dr. Stephen, for what he does, for how he has been doing it. If there's anything I know that this man is blessed with, is a heart of gold. And when you have a heart of gold to see other people succeed, service to many leads to greatness. And I've seen this work not only in my life, but for me to have learned from him is a sign of possibilities. Thank you so much, Dr. Stephen. Thank you for making yourself available. Thank you for making it a mandate to see other people succeed. Guys, celebrate Dr. Stephen. Put in a smart 777 there. Let me be sure you guys can hear me. Put in 77 on that comment box. Thank you so much, Dr. Stephen. You guys I need to see that 77 to be sure you guys are with me. Okay, let me see. Fantastic. I'm here to see you guys comment. Can you guys hear me? Joshua, can you see their comments?
Yes, sir. I can see their comments.
Jamiu,
okay.
Some people are complaining about meeting ID to be able to log in. Is there something you can do around that? And kindly send me the meeting ID, please, quickly.
All right.
Please go ahead.
Great. So, guys, really fantastic. So I see, great. I see where you guys are dropping it now. So, guys, I'm really excited. 2008, I got an opportunity to, 2009, I got an opportunity to work in the bank. I worked in the bank 2008 to 2013. And while I was working in the bank, I was courting with my cousin, okay, because I stayed very far away from the island. So I was courting with him. He also worked on the island. And that is why I got to know that there is a department in the bank that the bank's, the CEO, the banks value so much. So I got to know that they have the security department. Any bank you see, they call themselves security department, traders of the bank. These are people that trade for the bank. And that I got to know through my cousin that they are the heartbeat of the bank, apart from the salespeople. So I began to do my research and I got to know that the Forex market is a place where everybody should be able to play. And I tell people that there are three major reasons why you have to play in the Forex market. Number one is that Forex is the beginning and the end of money. So it means that if we go to the history of money, it started with trade by barter, exactly what you do in the Forex market. You understanding that for me to leave Nigeria and be in the United States, I need to exchange my Naira to dollar. and I should be able to use that to buy, to do my transaction in the United States. And if you're staying in the European country, you have to spend euro on. When you move from European country to the United States, you need to change it to dollar. So when you fix this, if you experience this, you know that this is very important for every country or every person to move from one country to another. The second reason why you have to play in the financial market is the fact that Forex is the beginning and the end of money. Okay. The second reason is the fact that until all the currency becomes one, Forex will not stop. So it means that until US says that they are no more spending dollar, okay, until Nigeria says that they are no more spending naira, until there's a uniformity amidst the currency will spend, it means that is when Forex can stop. So the challenge I have with a lot of people is the fact that when they come into the Forex market, they have a faulty foundation. And I let people know that, see, it's a skill set. If it took you 7 years to be a doctor, 5 years to be a business person, to be an engineer, to learn business admin 4 years, in some university 5 years, to be an engineer 5 years, several other courses 5 years, why do you want to come into the Forex market and you want to learn it in 1 month? Now, a lot of time without tutelage, without mentorship, you could even spend you could even imagine shortening to like in 2 weeks. I see some advert online and I smile so much. I say, I will show you 5 ways how I make money every week in just one, how I make money in the Forex market in 5 days. And I smile, I say, hey, people will understand that, see, there's a place for strategy, there's a place for psychology, there's a place for management. So what people can teach is strategy. People can't teach you psychology. Psychology, you will learn it and implement it. You can't inherit it. You must experience it. You must implement it. You must go through the emotional mode that every trader goes through. And these are certain things you must understand when you come into the Forex market. So as amazing as the Forex market is, you have to also give it time. Okay, so the third reason why you have to play in the Forex market is that the Forex market, that it is a transgenerational business. What it means is that if I learn this skill now and I know it well, I can teach my children yet unborn. I can teach, my daughter is 8 years old. I can't wait for her to be 10. Once she's 10, I'm going to be teaching her Forex so that she can begin to trade. That this does not disturb what she wants to become or who she wants to become. She wants to become a medical doctor. My son wants to become a business person. That means that I can teach the two of them how they can position themselves and they are good to go. So these 3 reasons is paramount for you to decide and say, in the Forex market, I want to play in here. Now, Mr. Mayowa, my challenge is time. When it comes to timing, you must understand that there are 3 to 4 parts in the financial market that you can play in at. You can play in as a scalper. You can play in as an intraday trader. Who is a scalper? A scalper is somebody who just wants to profit from the little margin in the Forex market. Now, the little margin is there every single time, but I can tell you for free that it will make you be active. That is why when I first got started in the Forex market, I see a lot of people that they cannot do anything when they want to trade. They will even carry their laptop to the toilet. They carry their gadgets to the, why? Because they cannot do anything. They put their whole entire time into trading. But I'm here to let you know that there's another part of the Forex market that is called the swing trader. The swing traders are the people that only come on the chart and they trade 2 times a week or 3 times a week. And when they do this, their goal is not to get the quick money. And I want to also help you here that wealth is not built on quick fix. Wealth is built on long term. So it means that all you need to do is to be able to scale through, understand the process, and repeat the process weekly. So for example, I train people to be a swing trader. Not because they cannot be an intraday trader, but I've discovered that it is a battle between quality and quantity. Come on, guys, put that in the part in the comment box. It is a battle between quantity and quality. Because when it is quantity, you'll be doing it often. But when it is quality, you might not get it all the time. So I tell people, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer to be trading every day, where you trade quantity and you have a challenge at the end of the week? You are like, oh, how I wish I did not pick this trade. I did not pick this trade. I would have just stick to this quality. So can you sit down and filter the quality trade, so that you are trading less and you can do every other thing? And this was my battle. This was the challenge I faced my first 4 years when I started in the Forex market. I know a lot of people are struggling with capital to pay for mentorship, capital, but guys, I did not have a mentor for the first 4 years in my Forex career. And every single time when I come to the office, when I'm being paid salary, I fund my Forex account. Each month I kept on losing, because I watched all the YouTube videos and I felt that that was the way. Now, the YouTube video made me experience, but did not give me my. And when I left the bank in 2013, I stopped funding my trading account. I was only trading them until 2017 when I came back into it. And this time around, I've gotten exposed to the likes of Dr. Steven, to the likes of my other business mentors I look up to. Mr. Steven will always say, don't ever start a business without having a mentor. And with that, I had to seek a mentorship. Met a Pakistan guy and a South African lady who charged me 15,000 US dollars for her to teach me the secret. I said, which secret? My wife, you have watched more than 500 videos on YouTube. What kind of secret will this woman show you? But guess what, guys? The result was amazing to what I was expecting. And I posted on my Instagram page. I said, to get what to become successful, you need to know what you want. You need to identify who has it, and you need to either go and pay for it, go and exchange for it, or go and do what? Go and serve for it. If you don't have money to pay, go and serve for it. If you don't have what to serve, if you don't have the time to serve for it, go and do trade by barter for it. Just make sure you get it done. And that was exactly what I did in 2017. I had to save up and I paid for that course, for that program. And that changed everything. And I realized for my first 4 years, I should have just gotten a mentor who would have shortened my experience and made my journey simple. So I recommend, having over 8-10 years in this industry, I tell you the best you can do is to be a swing trader. Now, from there, you can also become a position trader. And why do I recommend a swing trader? Is the fact that you can do other things to it. You can do other businesses to it. Right now, I have 5 books I have written. I could not write books when I was busy. I have the financial market code. I have the cryptocurrency code. Now I can write books. Now I can invest in other businesses. And now I treat my Forex trading as a business. Everybody type it in the comment box that treat Forex trading as business. Everybody, let's go. Come on, guys. I'm feeling some energy right here. Thank you so much, Blessing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's a battle between quality and quantity. That's it. Treat your Forex trading as business. So here is the concept, Mr. Mayowa. The first thing everybody needs is to open a brokerage account. Who is a broker? A broker is someone that gives you a platform. It's the third party that gives you the platform to connect your money to the main decentralized server. So when you click buy, the broker allows you to buy immediately. And when you click sell, the broker allows you to sell. So what's the profit of the broker? The broker makes profit from the spread. What is the spread? The spread is the difference between a buy and a sell. So when you buy an item, when you sell an item, that difference is called spread when it comes to the currency market. So now that we have established the basics, that we have 4 types of traders, we have the swing traders, we have the scalpers and the intraday trader, we have the swing trader, the position trader. You can be anyone, but you must identify what works for you. Now, why do I tell people to be a swing trader? Because I want you to have a complete life. Can you guys put that in the comment box? Type in complete life. Complete life means that you can do exercise in the morning. You can hang out with your children. You can run other businesses you want to run. You can invest in other businesses you want to invest in. There are 4 vehicles of life that everyone should be able to play in. You want to play in the real estate, you want to go and check site, you want to invest in GTEx media, GTEx homes, you want to invest in cryptocurrency, which is under financial market, you want to trade in the Forex market, you want to make sure you invest in businesses and you want to invest in yourself. But Mr. Mayowa, all of these that are the vehicles of wealth creation, I have chosen to learn Forex. This is why you are here. You need 3 concepts. And the 3 concepts is number 1, you need a strategy. Number 2, you need psychology, which has to do with the emotional part of trading. And number 3, you need management. Can you guys type that in the comment box right now? Number 1, you need a strategy. Number 2, you need the psychology. And number 3, you need what we call the trade management. So let me explain what trade management is all about. When you enter a trade, you are expected to know when to go in and when to come out. A lot of traders, they know when to go in, but they don't know when to come out. And when you know when to go in, it's like you know how to drive, but you don't know how to park. Come on, guys. You know how to drive, you don't know how to park. And when you know how to drive, you don't know how to park, you know you're in good soup. Come on, guys. You know what I'm talking about. So I encourage you that you must have a trade management exposure that allows you to know when to buy and when to sell, when to enter a trade and when to come out. That is what is called trade management. Another part of trade management that is very important is for you to be able to manage a trade by knowing when to take partials out of the market. Now, when you place a trade, we have what is called position sizes. And for position sizes, we have what is called lot size. And under lot size, we have what is called mini lot size, standard lot size. And Mr. Mayowa, that is a bit, yeah, can you explain further? So it's standard lot size means that you are risking a full standard. What's a full standard? That is 1.0. 1.0 means that is $10. So if the Forex market moves by 1 point, when the Forex moves by 2 points, that is 2 points, which is 2 pips, times 10, that is $20. When it moves by 10 pips, that is 10 pips times 10, that is $100. So we also have, for those who don't have big capital, you can go in with a mini lot size. Okay? When you go in with a mini lot size, you are good to go. When you go in with a lower lot size, you're good to go. But another part of trade management that everyone needs to know is what is called the risk calculator. Mr. Mayowa, can you go a bit deeper? Are you ready? Everybody type in go deeper right now. Come on, guys. I'm here for you. Type in go deeper. Type in go deeper. Now, the more energy I feel in the room, the more I release, I reveal more to you. Now, what I'm about to share to you right now, once you understand this, you will never have issues again. The reason why you have issues with trading and you lose money is because you don't honor the risk management part of trading. The risk management part of trading is what separates the big boys from the men. The Bible is dropping fire this evening. It's what separates the big boys from the men. I've been there before. I have $100 and I want to grow my $100 to $1,000 in 1 month. And I am, because I have that target, I want the overnight money. And because of that, I lose the entire capital. So this is what we call the position size calculator. Everyone that I mentor, that I teach, I tell them, don't ever enter a trade without knowing what you will lose. Write that down, write that down, write that down. Don't ever enter a trade without asking yourself, what will I lose? See, people tell you how much you will make. Can you also ask, how much will I lose? Come on, guys. That is how it works. You must ask people, you must know how much you wanted. That's it. You must know how much you are willing to risk. And I never knew this until I came into the reality of what Forex is really all about. Remember, Forex trading is the trading of two currency pairs that are paired together. So let's say I'm going to be trading USD JPY. And right now, I can only afford $200. And here, before you go further, always know that the money you are bringing into the Forex market, you must not, until you have mastered the process, do not fund more than $500. Type in I here right now. Don't ever fund with $500, more than $500. Hey, I didn't have anybody to tell me, guys. Every week I was putting money. Every month I was putting in money. Once they pay me salary, I remove, I send to my parent, I remove part of my remaining money and I put it into my Forex account. Because I so much believe that the industry can give me the money I was looking for. So if you have $500, put $100 or $200 in your trading account. See, guys, if you don't know how to manage $100, you can never know how to manage $1,000. Type in I here. Come on, guys. I need everyone. Come on, guys. Type in I here. If you don't know how to manage $100, you cannot know how to manage $5,000. It's not. I have learned that over and over again, guys. You don't start big to grow big. You start small to grow big. A lot of students, they will ask me, Mr. Mayowa, how much can I be?
Is Mayowa there or is network? How many of you, by the way, are having a great time? If you're having a great time, can you type, I'm having a great time, great time, great time. Come on, guys, talk to me. Are you learning and having a great time? How many of you agree that this quality content shouldn't have been free? Okay, how many of you agree? Type I agree that the quality of information Mayowa is given, someone need to have paid for something like this. All right, and let me say this, one of the Mayowa used to work with us at GText, and before he went to start his own company, and he's doing very well. I'm proud of him. If he wasn't doing so well, I won't bring him here to come and teach you. And one of the key things as well with, the program we run, the mentorship is to show you how you can do it yourself. Can everybody type do it yourself mentorship? Everybody type do it yourself mentorship. you will never, and it's important to emphasize this, you will never, ever hear me asking you to bring money for us to trade Forex for you, or ask you to bring money for us to trade crypto for you. You know why? Can anybody guess why? In real estate, yeah, we have a real estate investment trust where you can buy fractional real estate properties and all of that. But you know, in real estate, if you talk too much, you claim that, oh, Dr. Stevie stole my money, he invested, nothing happened. I will go and show you where the land is. You can touch it, you can hold it. But if I tell you to bring money, I want to help you trade Forex or crypto. If anything happens to your money, right? Even if it wasn't that I mismanaged it, right? What can I point to as a proof, okay, that I did my part? So when it comes to Forex and crypto, myself and everyone involved, all we do is, you know, hey, this is how you can do it. Go and do it yourself. When you're having any challenge, come back to the mentorship group, ask questions. All the support will be there. But we will never ask you to bring your money and we'll do any investment for you when it comes to crypto or Forex. If you hear anybody saying I'm doing that, the person is a scammer. We don't do that. And like I said, why again? Thank you. Somebody said because land is koro. You're right. Another reason is also, which is very important, because Forex and crypto are high risk. You will lose money. The same way you can make the craziest money of your life. And these are realities here. So what are you not supposed to do this type of investment because it's high risk? No. Because it's high risk, do it by yourself. Okay? So that if you choose not to follow our advice and you lose your money, you know that you are the one that lost the money. Okay? If you follow our advice and you made money, we will still be the one to tell you that now that you have made money, quickly start diversifying. Put a portion of your money into real estate. Put a portion of your money into, life insurance and other schemes that may not give you high returns, but are more guaranteed. They are more tangible, right? And for me, these are some of the most powerful principles and structures that I've used to build a very reputable organization till today. So yes, should you do a high-risk investment? Yes, you should, but don't put all your money into it, okay? Invest, if you make money, pull out some of your profit. I did a TikTok video where I was sharing this to people last year. Let me see if I can find that TikTok video. Some people said my head is not correct, right? Now, many of them have lost money to Bitcoin. They want to blame it on Bitcoin. No, you can't blame Bitcoin. You should blame your greed. Okay? It was your greed, not Bitcoin, okay, that made you to lose money. Because the time Bitcoin was doing very well, why were you not pulling out some of your profit and putting it into other more stable asset class? Yes, those stable asset class may not give you as mute yourself here. Those stable asset class may not give you as much returns, okay, as your crypto or your Forex. But again, they are more stable. So the day everything goes down, you have something to hold on to. So watch this. If I were you, I'm going to be cautious of. This was me doing when crypto was doing well. Because the rule is when it goes up, you sell. When it goes down. Well, if I were you, I'm going to be cautious of investing right now. I probably will start selling some because the rule is when it goes up, you sell. When it goes down, you buy. Well, so this was me sharing with some people. If you go to my TikTok video, you still see some people arguing with me and saying in my head, what am I talking about? You know why? This was a time where, people were killing it with Bitcoin and crypto. So for me to be telling them that, oh, you should go and sell, it was like my head is not correct. Suddenly now again, you see people, so what are we trying to teach you here? We're saying wisdom is profitable direct. In every form of investment, once you choose to become an investor, you need to have what we call emotional intelligence for investment, where you should not be greedy and be pushed. When it is working well, no problem, thank God. Begin to ask yourself, where else can I start putting some of this profit? Because the profit will not remain where it is forever. It goes up, it comes down. It goes up because as my wife, he has lost money trading forex. But why are we bringing him here? He has made more money than he has lost.
That's right.
He has been a professional. He has, in fact, several institutions. He works with several institutions to help them trade. So we're saying, hey, mentor you and guide you to build wealth in this sector. So my wife is back. Let him take it away.
Thank you so much, Coach. So, guys, I want you to know that all you need is the knowledge. I wanted to show you something on my laptop. I think the Chrome browser just crashed there. But I'll be coming up, I'll be showing you that some other time. But basically, that calculator I showed you allows you to risk a portion of your money every single time you want to trade. And if you don't do that, you will not be able to make the kind of money you want to make. I'm on 2 devices. Okay, let me just leave here. Sorry about that, guys. So I'll just mute my laptop. Let me use my phone. Can everybody hear me? Please put in 5 if you can hear me.
Yes, we can hear you. I think your network is misbehaving today.
Yeah, I don't know why. Okay, thank you so much. So we need to all know how this works, and that is where we can profit from. So when we go in, I have $100. The rule of engagement before now is that I want to risk $10, $20 immediately to make money. Then I will lose the whole capital because I did not have a good strategy. So any amount you have, when you come into the Forex market, the maximum you need to use for now is just 1%. Everybody type in 1%. 1% of your capital. So it means that if I'm risking 1% of $100, 1% of $100 is $1. So I want to risk $1 to make $3. See, Forex trading is a multiplier vehicle. It is more than just a skill set. It means that if I can put $1 in a transaction and I put it in a strategy that has over 60% win rate, when I am right, I am right. When I am wrong, accept that I am wrong. So when you come into the psychology of trading, people don't want to lose, but they want to make money. Jeez. You don't want to risk, but you want to multiply money. I don't get it. See, guys, I put Forex trading in the third category of my risk classification. We have it as 4. The first one is the low risk investment. Number 2 is the medium risk investment. Number 3 is the high risk investment. And number 4, I call it complex risk investment. When it comes to Forex trading, it is risk. It is high risk investment. And high risk investment means that when I put in this money, it gives me a high return. Forex trading is high risk. Crypto trading is high risk. But guys, stock trading is high risk. Real estate is medium risk. Putting money in your bank without return is low risk. Complex risk is Ponzi scheme. Quickly bring 100,000. I'll give you 30%. We will give you 50%. That is called complex risk, because the money is leaving you into someone's account and you are not sure of what the person is using the money for. So when it comes to Forex trading, you must ask yourself, what am I risking? When you know it, it settles the psychology of trading for you. The reason why a lot of people are afraid of Forex is because, one, they've never done it before and they are listening to somebody else's report. Number 2, they are trading in the Forex market. They do not understand risk management. So when I have $100 and I risk $1, I want that $1 to give me $5. Once it gives me $5, I have met my goal. I have met my target. And when I meet my target, then I go to the next transaction. But can I be sincere with you? When a lot of people see 5%, they don't come out of it, which is what Dr. Stephen was mentioning. I told people to buy Bitcoin at 4,000 in 2019. People were saying, I don't know what I'm saying. I said, I've been here for a while, and I know what I am saying. Hey, Mr. Mayowa, we know you are an expert, but it can never happen. At that point, Bitcoin was around $20,000, $19,000. And in March 12, Bitcoin came to $9,000, $4,000 on March 12, $3,800. And a lady called me that day, said, she's in UK. She said, Mr. Mayowa, your prediction has come, I am buying. And she bought Bitcoin and the market went as far as 69,000. And she said, when should she come out? When you hit $60,000, I told everyone in our community and the people that listen to me that they should sell off, because that is the peak. Now, how many of you are ready to know where Bitcoin is coming to next now? Are you ready? Should I tell you? Dr. Stephen, that is, should I give it to them?
Oh, of course, give it to them. Why not? They are good students.
Since last year, I've been telling people that until Bitcoin comes below 11,000, that is when you should buy. When I said it, Bitcoin was around 54, 45, and I said it was coming below 11,000. As a matter of fact, to be precise, anything around 9,000. And when it comes to 9,000, you want to do everything you have to have Bitcoin, because it's going to be on its way to 300,000 in less than 3 years. Let me don't use guarantee, because some people can hold me, but I can tell you it's almost guaranteed. We've been here, we understand the cycle. The same way when it comes to Forex, guys. The same way when it comes to Forex. You must know when to go in and when to come out. And the last one that I'll be mentioning before I go into what we have put together .
What's going on with the internet today? All my wise internet are just misbehaving.
Psychology of trading is. And psychology of trading, you can't teach it, you have to experience it. You have to experience it. And that is why we have put together a strategy that I teach people and everyone that we've been teaching in the Stephen Akintayo University. What is this strategy? It is what separates the big boys from the men. The big boys, they do not trade every day. They approach the market from the institutional point of view. Everybody type in institution. Let's go right now. Let's go right now. Type in institution. They trade from the institutional point of view. Why? Because the people that controls the market, they are the institutions. I wish I can be back on my laptop quick, so I can open you up and give you final deliverance. When I mean final, that you will know that it is not a battle of your strategy. It is the battle of you understanding how the market is structured. The market is structured that money leaves the impatient traders to the patient traders. Everybody type that. Money, the market is structured that money will move from the impatient traders to the patient traders. That is it. So patience is more than a virtue, the way scripture says it, the Holy Book says it. Patience is more than value. It's more than just virtue, sorry. Yeah, I'm trying not to speak in tongues. Yeah, but you got my expression there. That is it. So the market is structured. They know that an average person wants to make money. So what do? They set it up in such a way that people will be struggling. They want to make money every day, and they are aware that the market has $7.7 trillion every day. That is what happens. That's what moves in the market. I didn't say some days, any day you go and sleep, Emmanuel, any day you sleep and wake up, blessing, there is a $7.7 trillion that is available for you. That one alone can make you to be impatient. And because you are having access to the data, they want you to keep trading every day. So what did they do? They structure the market so that you can always donate. You can always donate your $100, your $300. And when you don't use trade management, you don't use a market stop loss and all of that, I tell you, you're going to be missing out in it. So I learned this from the reality after I have lost money. Remember, there are two ways to learn. You learn from experience, or you learn from revelation. You learn from someone. So if anyone that you follow, all of them all join. But I'm here to let you know that we have put together institutional trading because the institution has over 69% of the entire market. So imagine somebody has 69%. No, sorry. The top 11 investors in the Forex market, they own over 69%. And who are these people? Number one, JP Morgan. JP Morgan has about 11% of the whole entire market. Everybody type in money. Type in money. If money is currency and currency flows, it means that the person that has the currency is the one that will dictate. Come on, guys. So this is why we took time to create the institution, now trading concept. Because when JP Morgan says they are buying, all the currency they put their money in will buy. When they say they are selling, the currency they put their money in will sell. And immediately they sell, I can tell you for free that the market will just start selling. The market will just start selling. And once the market starts selling, we are done. We are done. I'm trying to move to my laptop so that I can show you this, that I can return the call to Dr. Stephen. So we all need to have this first-hand information before we come and trade in the Forex market. Now, Mr. Mayowa, how long does it take me to become a successful Forex trader? I recommend you run minimum 1 year. Everybody type in 1 year. See, I know there are a lot of programs outside there. They've promised you that it will take you 3 months. See, guys, I recommend 1 year. In 1 year, you will do mistake. You will correct yourself. In 1 year, you will understand the approach. In 1 year, you will get it right. I can guarantee you that. But if you want it in 6 months, I can tell you again, you might be having a lot of issues. And when you have issues, I can tell you, geez.
Okay, I'm leaving the phone I want to use. Thank you so much. So I recommend you give it minimum 1 year. 1 year. With 1 year, you're good. And you can make money as much as you can, like money every time. But you want to understand the entire process of trading. And once you get the process of trading,
Hello, Tochi, can you hear me? Tochi, can you hear me? Mr. Mayowa, can you hear us now?
I can hear you clearly. I sincerely apologize. I don't know what's wrong. This is the same internet I used for training earlier today. Okay, guys,
Okay,
but
no
don't
problem,
worry.
sir.
Don't punish poverty.
I'll be back.
The internet is just trying to shortcut you. You know, so, but like I said, I wanted to show you, this so that for some of us that are already trading Forex participants report. So this is one of the major reasons. This is one of the major reasons why. Now, in 1 year, does that mean that it is after 1 year you can make money? No. You can actually start making money in 3 weeks, in 2 weeks, in 2 months. But I'm talking about mastery. Mastery is not the same thing as learning. Learning is just a first level. Mastery means that to now understand, you can predict, you can determine. Like somebody called me this afternoon, he's a Forex student, and he said, I want to also join your crypto because I don't know why you said Bitcoin will come to 9,000, and he came and he's coming there. So he said he wants to know. That's his own reason. But what I'm driving at is the fact that what will make you know when to go in and when to come out is mastery. And with that, you're good to go. So give yourself the time, download a brokerage account, ask questions. If you have not understood Forex, don't put money in. And if you are giving money to people to trade on your behalf, make sure it is not up to 10% of your entire portfolio. I've seen people who collected their own gratuity and they went to give it to somebody that is trading Forex on high yield. Please, I beg you, the market, as powerful as it is, also has a way of teaching people lessons. So let me round up here and take questions. We have top 10 currency traders in the market. The first one that has the highest share is JP Morgan. JP Morgan has 11.41%. So USB, Deutsche Bank has 8.9% market share. Good. So if I'm going to ask everybody on this call, so will you like to be a retail trader or an institutional trader? Somebody who trades like the institutions. Which one will you prefer? Tell me. This is the same question I was asked. Who are the people that don't lose in the market? And I told my mentor, I answered, I said, is the institution. He said, then why are you trading every day? And you are trading as a retail trader. And that was my baptism. I was baptized with the truth, and the truth has set me free. So I trade like the institutions. What do? They look at monthly time frame. They look at weekly time frame. They all take their trades from there, and the market goes in the direction of the higher time. So my conclusion is you want to approach the market as a Forex trader with the institutional point of view so that you can be consistently good and you are good to go. That'll be all for now. I want to take questions because I know there's a lot of questions. Thank you so much for having me, Dr. Stephen. Thank you so much, CMSA. I celebrate everyone.
Oh, come on, guys. Put your hands together for Mr. Mayo Owolabi. How many of you got value tonight? If you got value, just type, I got value, I got value. How many of you would like to also join the mentorship program we've put together with Mayowa? Mayowa is your regular coach. Every week is training you and helping you to set up your account and trade. And you trade with yourself, but he's putting you through how to trade to make money. And then also what we then do is every month, I then gather you guys together and share as well some more super principles and strategy. In fact, I'm doing a training on Saturday with all those who join my mentorship program this year. And I'm sharing 10 things I'm doing to reposition for next year. One of it is, Mayo, do you want to hear?
I want to hear, coach. Now, you know me, I don't sleep. When it is Dr. Stephen, it's all in, sir.
I'm no longer in 2023 going to deal with a customer that is not doing $1 million and above.
Doctor.
The way you open your mouth,
Doctor.
I get shocked.
Doctor.
That's just one out of 10 things I'll be teaching my mentee in that class. One, and I'm going to be breaking down why. But it's going to be powerful on Saturday. It's a new level. It's a game changer. 2023, I'm done. Okay, with Now you can call it pride, you can call it arrogance, you can, if you like, buy a product of $100,000, $500,000. If you even chat me up, right, to even say I bought something from your company, I will block you, right? If you want to talk to me, okay, show me evidence you've done $1 million first. Then at that point, oh yeah, let's talk. Because I'm also, you know, I will just announce the launch of our $5 million fund to give out grants to SMEs. We're going to be giving out 48 next year, 24 directly from the foundation, and then 24 from Steve Akhtar University. To do all these amazing things we have in mind, we need good money, not people who do business of 50 million with you. They will not allow you rest. They, you know, if you don't even pick their call, you must be the devil. Okay, but I'm going to be sharing with people a strategy, my student, how to have over 500% growth in the year 2023. It's going to be really crazy. Maiwa, do you want to share with us testimonies of some of your students who have been part of our coaching program? You know, oh guys, not naira, I'm talking of dollars. What is additional? Can you mind yourself? I will start by removing people like you from my webinar. I will start by removing. Which is naira? Okay. You know, which is naira you're talking about? We've passed naira long ago now. Okay, since when have I been doing transaction in billions of naira? Since when? Long ago. But we're even done with that one. We want to do billions in dollars. And if we're going to be doing billions in dollars, okay, enough of still dealing with all this. Okay, how many clients do you have to deal with, right, to get to that point? One of my staff, you know, had on a IG Live, on her IG accounts, she puts, I've done $30 million in real estate transaction. I have a new podcast, powerful podcast by powerful guys. It's called the Billionaire Habit Podcast. One of the guys that came, he's done over $1.1 billion here in Dubai. And when the guy saw my staff $30 million, he was like, what is this? You know, she was showing her account to brag that, yes, we don't. He said, what is this? So what is $30 million? What is this one? He said, this is small money, small money. My friend, get my coaching material. You step up your game. I mean, she had to sit up, like, because the guy has done 1.1 billion. You are talking about $30 million and bragging. What's there to brag? So you have to move to the next level. But I want Maiwa to share you testimonies of people who've worked with. Okay, I've always said this, and I'm always big on this, right? Not everybody will like you, and I've always maintained that. Some clients will like you, some won't like you. Some students will like you, some won't like you. That's normal, right? But what is key for me is if what you're doing is impacting majority of your clients and they are happy, then alhamdulillah, like we say here in Dubai. So you can't please everyone, but we have a higher number of people who are grateful, who have been impacted by this coaching program on Forex. And I'm happy that none of them had ever given me complaint of, oh, Maiwa collected our money and did never, not one. And I'm proud, which is one of the reasons why there are some coaches we had in this program that I stopped working with because I didn't want people who exploit, you know, my students. I want people who will give them value, mentor them and support them. And Maiwa has done exactly just that. So he's going to show you a couple of testimonies from people who have gone through this.
Hi there, my name is Daniel and I'm super excited decided to share how much of value I get from 3 direct bootcamp with Mr. Maya Olabi. Mr. Maya uses a simplistic approach in explaining Forex concepts, tools, and techniques. He simply points you in the right direction as far as Forex trading is concerned. In these 3 days, we learned how to trade like pros, how to best utilize our time, and still win our trades consistently. And there's
Okay, so sorry guys, really. Joshua, is it possible you get that video and
Doctor,
your end? So can you send it to Joshua? Let
doctor,
Joshua, yeah?
Okay, sir.
I relocate.
You
It's
need
like
to, why you need to come and join me in Dubai.
guys are done.
Come and join me in Dubai.
Coach, I'm coming. It's like I can't take it again.
No, but it's real. Temi has moved to the.
So ITC concept training is money well spent for me. I've attended a lot of trainings and coachings on Forex, but nothing beats the value I got from this particular training. And I have a better understanding of the market and how it works. My confidence level right now has greatly improved, and I'm excited about trading again. Now, what I learned has set me apart from over 90% of traders out there. Now I know exactly how to trade like the banks and smart money institutions. I know how to trade with massive risk to reward. I know how to compound my account and make serious money from the market. Mr. Maiwa, thank you so much for revealing this trading concept at a very, very cheap price. I'm going to be becoming your #1 star student. All right. Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate you. God bless you.
Maiwa, can you
Hello, coach.
just send it to Joshua? Let Joshua play it. Your network is really, really terrible. Just send it to
Okay,
Joshua.
I'll send it to you.
Yes, send to Joshua. I think Joshua internet is a lot better. Okay, guys, so we're going to take your questions. If you have questions, please also send the training module, what people are going to be learning in the coaching program and all of that. Kindly send it as well to him. Let me just share a few thoughts with you guys. I just want to share a few thoughts with you guys, and we will take testimonies, and then we'll wrap up for the day. So this is day 2 of the, financial intelligence masterclass, and I hope you've been getting value. I hope you've learned a thing or two in the series we've had. Let me just share a few things, and then hopefully by then, Joshua, once you have all those videos and the course outline for the coaching, just let me know as well. So, and we'll move from there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I think you can you see my slide? You can see my slide type, I can see it. So tomorrow will be the last day of this 3-day training. And tomorrow we're going to be having Mr. Dipo Adeshino all the way from the United States of America. It's going to be a great wow moment tomorrow. For you to join the Forex coaching class, it goes for $10,000. However, if you join while this coaching is on, you have an opportunity to pay just $2,000. You need to use the word Christmas on the website www.steveactel.com/FI offer, or you can do a bank transfer as well for the coaching. I'm Dr. Steven. For those of you who don't know me, I mentor, I teach, I'm a member of Forbes Business Council I have a couple of articles you can read. I've gotten several awards. I believe so much that the reason why you are given wealth is to help people. So a lot of time people say, why do you charge for coaching? I say, that's where I make money to help orphans. A lot of our charity projects comes from money we make from coaching, as well as, of course, GTech Souls, our real estate company. And if I do not charge, I won't be able to pay, and mentor and do a lot of the bills that I have. This is my latest book. We have 3 more books coming out on my birthday, 28th of January. You should get this book. Now, the question is, Yoruba will say, a lot of time people come around and say rubbish about me. I really don't care. Let me tell you this. Okay? Who hates you does not matter. It is who like you that matters. Can I say that again? Who hates you does not matter. In this world, who hates you does not matter. It is who like you that matter. And what I'm saying is that the caliber of people that like you are more important than the people who hate you. Okay? It is the reputation. So when a no-name person comes out and say, oh, I don't like Stephen Akita, who cares? Right? But when a man worth $6 billion come and say, hey, Stephen Akita is a great guy, listen to him. Now that's what matters. That's more important than some low life somewhere. So hear what the founder of Fubo said.
What's up to all the students in Stephen Akintayo's class? I just want to say, let him keep coaching you. Hopefully putting you on the right track. I just met the man. I think he's amazing. What's up? There you go. All right, get focused.
Am I endorsed or not? Come on, I want everybody to type endorsed. Okay? And it's a lesson for all of you, right? A lot of us bothered about, what they said, this person said this person said that. Who is the person talking? Can you get important people to talk? Can you get people who matter to love you and to say things that it's important? Because they are the ones that really matter at the end of the day. Okay? So Forex for me, basically, Forex, the word or FX, is trading one currency for another. That's the whole concept. Because some of you just hear Forex. Yeah, let's go and do it. It is trading one currency for another. So whether you're trading one to another. So traders, short-term system follows a wide range of skill, knowledge, resources, and committed risk takers. So these are key factors involved in trading Forex. You have government, long-term enablers of national, regional, or global economic goals and disruption. Then you have corporates, long-term players who seek to profit, protection through treasury management and active hedge. Of course, you have investment funds, so long-term trend followers with high level of resources, okay, knowledge and commitment, risk avoiders. They kind of avoid risks as much as they can. Banks, credit suppliers to corporate government, banks, funds, and ancillary Forex players and market makers. So these are the major people involved when it comes to the game of Forex. So important thing you need to know to be a successful trader. Number one, understand Forex is about probabilities. Number two, take notes, study your success and failures. And this is where Mayowa comes in with his coaching to support and guide you. Number three, plan your goals and stick to your plan. Okay? Number four, restrain your emotions. Emotion will kill you in this business. Many people have been wrecked, okay, because they just went emotional. You can't be emotional when trading. Number five, don't give up. Can everybody type don't give up? Everybody type don't give up. Tips to trade Forex. Don't strive to get rich quick. Don't take random decisions. Choose your leverage wisely. Use stop loss order. Learn your market. Monitor your positions. Develop trading strategies. Maiwa mentioned this earlier. Okay, and I think I have some of the testimonies that we're talking about. So watch one of it.
So I've attended a lot of trainings and coachings on Forex, but nothing beats the value I got from this particular training. And I have a better understanding of the market and how it works. My confidence level right now has greatly improved, and I'm excited about trading again. Now, what I learned has set me apart from over 90% of traders out there. Now I know exactly how to trade like the banks and smart money institutions. I know how to catch trades with massive risk to reward. I know how to compound my account and make serious money in the market. I'm on my way to becoming your number one star student. All right. Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate you. God bless you.
Yeah, somebody got it right. Toby is in Cyprus. And that's his own testimony. So, I mean, this mentorship is for people all over the world, by the way. So we have truth and lies. It's vital to manage your emotion when trading. Those are true. A solid stop loss. Okay, triumph over mental stop loss. Expertise is economic analysis is important. Trading is easy. Now, let's look at not too true. You need to spend a lot of time monitoring trade. You can't be successful with a small trading account. That's not true. Total lie. A financial background is essential. You don't need any financial background. Trading, the news provides the biggest opportunities. That's a lie. Right? Success comes from trading the markets with the highest spread. It's a lie. A profitable trader wins most trades. That's a lie. Most traders have lost so much money that you can imagine, but they don't give up, and they learn from it and re-strategize and move forward. So again, how many of you are joining this coaching right now? Instead of $10,000, while we're on this call, you can use the coupon code Christmas and you pay just $2,000. You could do transfer options as well. We accept any card anywhere in the world. We don't keep your card details. You know, we use Stripe and Paystack. Very key Forex market participants. I think I've mentioned that earlier. You have central bank companies, individuals, institutions, commercial banks, and brokers. Let's look at another testimony.
Hello everyone, my name is Teddy Otweli. I am based in Italy under the mentorship of Mr. Mayowa Owolabi. The group is amazing. The results are mind-boggling. I have been in that crypto group, but I've come to realize the difference since I joined this group. The results I'm getting, they are so great. And the Forex, it has come to make my understanding great. That Forex is not about losing, it's about gaining. If you want to create wealth, if you want to move on, if you want to be self-reliant, if you want to be financially independent, this is the group to be. Come on to this group, be on board, and let's create wealth and move together.
Okay, so you have seen tons and tons of testimonies. I can give you a lot more, you know. So, but I'm going to stop here and give you an opportunity to be part of the coaching program. So, Mayowa, why people are ordering, by the way, this offer is only for the 5 people to sign up right now. Can you tell us what are they going to be learning in the coaching program?
Okay, thank you so much, Doctor. One of the things they'll be learning is order flow. Order flow is to know where the institutions are going to be placing trades and how they place trade. They're also going to be having access to our basic class session. Basic class, we have 1 hour basic class every week. We have the intermediate session, then we have the advanced session. So if you're totally new, we'll take you from how to place a trade, how to close a trade, how to manage a trade. So all of this is in one altogether, what you're going to be having access to. So we'll take you from the basic to the advanced and to the mastery phase, where you will understand what determines where the market is going. It's going to be a great time. One of the things you're going to be learning, another thing you're going to be learning is called supply and demand. For a lot of you that you've been watching my free trading on YouTube, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, you're going to be learning deep supply and demand. You're going to be also going to be learning how to do what is called risk reward. You see, in every business, it's all about risk. Dr. Stephen tells us that a lot of times. How can I buy it cheap and sell it high? That is all what business is all about. So when it comes to this, it's very important. It's very important to know that you can risk $1 to make $3, to make $5. That is what risk reward is all about. I'm going to be risking $2 to make $10. Okay, a particular trade we picked in the community. A particular trade we picked in.
Can't see
the camera on. Okay. Yes, I've told them to change over.
Oh, okay. There's no light or something.
No, there's light. I think the camera, they need to change the battery, but it will be on back.
Okay, go ahead.
So, great. So you need to know how to risk little portion of your money to make a big margin of what we're talking about. This particular guy that shared the last testimonial, there was a particular trade we picked in the group. A guy picked with $35, he picked a trade, and the $35 grew as much as about $290 in 3 months. One trade, about $35 to about $300 in about 3 months. Now, tell me a business that can give you that kind of money, but you are patient with it. It didn't happen in 1 week. It happened within the period of the order flow. And we're going to be teaching you all of that. So from basic to Forex, you're going to be learning that, to supply and demand, to what is called the ITC trading strategy. All of this is in our curriculum that you guys are going to be learning. It's going to be a great, great time. That's it, Doctor. Thank you so much.
Okay, beautiful. So let's take questions now. If you have questions, we're going to take it. So feel free to type your questions. If you have any question for us, go ahead and type. Any question? Anyone with a question? Okay, I think the chat section disable. Basil, the chat session is up, so go ahead and click on the chat. You can either use the chat or the question section. Anyone you prefer. So who else has question? Okay, so nobody has question for us. I believe Mayowa has done a good job. Can we all clap for Mayowa Wolabi for fantastic training tonight? How many of us here are going to be joining the coaching program? Okay, how many of us here? Uchembu says, I want to connect with Mayowa. Yeah, that's why we say join the coaching. The coaching is how you connect with him. Or
yeah, join the coaching.
You think it's going to mentor you for free? I'm going to give you time because this is where people get it wrong. I have seen this request all the time on social media. I want to meet Dr. Stephen now. I want to, talk to Dr. Stephen for what? It's, I trade time, right? It's the effective use of my time that makes it effective. If I keep meeting everybody and turn myself to Jehovah, the one that created Jesus, I won't be. Even you will not want to hear me. It's because I'm this successful. That's why you are hearing what I'm saying. So as if what I'm saying, someone else haven't said it. It's the result that has terminated the insult. And the only way to keep getting
That's
it
right.
is to charge a decent fee for the value they offer. So 2000 is a big breakthrough. Let me see. So I'm trying to scroll your questions. Say thank you so much for knowledge share. Please, someone who is busy with business but choose to trade in Forex, can you trade? So a lot. Suddenly, you guys woke up. What happened? All this while I was there, ask questions. Now you guys
I think they've been typing, sir.
You're busy typing because can you see those questions? And because before I finish reading one, the other has covered it and I'm not able to scroll.
Okay, so I think what that person is saying is that is a business person, can you trade with his money and it gets return on investment? As someone, okay, so that means that you want an investment program, okay? Currently, we don't do that. So the only thing we do right now, no matter how busy you are, you can learn Forex.
Exactly. The mistake people think is when they hear Forex, they think Forex is active trading. You can be a partial trader, right?
That's
literally,
right.
Or you can choose to say, I'm only going to be putting in 20 minutes every day, or I'm only going to even put in 2 hours in a week and still be a wealthy, successful trader. So
as a matter of fact, coach.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, coach, just to buttress on what you said, we only trade Wednesdays, Thursday, Friday. That is when volume is in the market. So we don't trade Mondays, we don't trade Tuesdays. We only trade Wednesdays to Fridays.
So you can, it doesn't have to be active. A lot of, and you don't need age. Age is not qualification, education is not qualification or a requirement. Anybody can do this, no matter how busy you are. A lot of the richest people you know trade Forex on a part-time basis. Christopher said, is this Canada money? It's US dollars. You know, when you Canadians are becoming arrogant nowadays, when is Canada dollar higher than US dollar has always been the boss of all bosses. But I get it. Canada is almost becoming the headquarters of Nigerians in diaspora. So
Samuel Ekele said he's joining, sir.
Good, as he made payment, because once we're done with this webinar, this offer is over. So the discount is for those who are paying while this webinar is on. Okay, so if you don't,
Samuel Ekele, go ahead and make payment. Joshua, you can help drop the link so that Samuel Ekele can make payment. Coach, we have another person here, sir. I'm from the US, so will it be $2,000 US dollars? Yes, you are Kerry, you're right. It is going to be 2,000 US dollars. That's
I'll go to the URL to even see which option, because this question you guys are asking me is funny, right? You can go there. This is stephenactel.com/FI offer. Go there and check now whether it's British pounds or US or Canadian dollar, which one. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, I think there are more questions. Can you see more of the questions and help me answer?
Yes, I'm bringing it up, sir. In building a Forex trading track record, I have seen people that have built this portfolio and crashed down. What does it mean to sustain these rates, sir? It is because of greed. A lot of time, what you do to get to the top, you need more to retain at the top. Okay? For example, I've learned from Dr. Stephen since 2015 how to start small and become big. So if I'm not doing the activities that made me big, again, the person will crash. So when it comes to Forex trading, you know, a lot of people, they believe 100% in their strategy and they fail to give honor to whom honor is due, which is the market. So once you don't honor the market will treat your fuck up. Sorry for the F word, but the market will just take care of you. So every time, okay, so if you come to my office right now, In my office, I have the rules of engagement on my wall. So even if I don't feel like trading, as a matter of fact, it's printed. Let me get it up. It's printed. I have about 4 of them in my office. You can see it. So even if I'm trading from the head, I don't forget the rules. Okay, because you can see the screen, right? You can see it's printed. I have 4 of them. So that's how I check my rules, no matter what. You know, some people can just be angry. Maybe somebody didn't greet them well, especially if they're Nigerians, or maybe their wife just, you know, just treat their fuck up at home and they just, you know, so, but basically, you just, it's a rule, it's a logical thing. It's a logical thing. You just have to have your rules. For example, in the institutional trading concept, we have just 7 rules. I want to see this. When I see this, this is it. Okay. Okay, so I have it like that. So when you see number 1, I'll do number 2. When I see number 2, I'll do number 3. If I don't see, I'm not going to put it in. Thank you so much for honoring my questions. Amen. God bless you. Amen. Thank you too. Okay, for those that have made payment, us know. You are muted, sir.
In building a forex trading track
Yes,
record.
I've answered that, sir.
Oh, okay, you've answered that.
Yeah, that's why it's appreciating me, sir.
Okay, I think that has been answered too. Kuyoro Felix says 2000 is a big breakthrough for people like me. Is there any advice you could give? Advice I give is, you know, go raise it. None of us got here in an easy way. We all took drastic decisions.
Right.
Every day I take risk. Every day. I mean, some work, some don't work, but we take it. We're bold enough to take risk. And that's it. Just told you one now. In fact, starting from tomorrow, I'm starting my shoots for the properties that I'm marketing in 2023. Okay, none of them is less than, you know, $1 million, right? 2 million, some are $4 million, some are $10 million, right? So it's the new game. And for me, what I've always tell people, if you don't take risk to raise, you know, your game, you won't go far. I'm going to be showing you guys a very shocking screenshot. And by the way, Joshua, can you help me put it together? How much I paid Grant Cardone this year, the Harvard courses, you know, just screenshot. You can block who I paid what to, right? The Forbes course, everybody, right? Just screenshot. I just want people to see, because I feel people should know that we're not asking you to do what we are not doing. Whatever is you see me ask you to do, I have done. You're going to be seeing a screenshot, you know, either today or tomorrow. Once Joshua, if Joshua can put it up today, I appreciate it. You're going to see how I spent almost $200,000 this year alone. Okay, way more than that, because when I look at others as well, a lot of other people I paid as call speakers, right, for either group coaching or one-on-one coaching, right? If you put it all together, about $200,000, if not more. But please let me do that. We're going to be doing a screenshot and we'll show you guys. And it's intentional to inspire you so that you stop having this mindset.
Okay, sir.
You know, who is this? Yourself, Joshua. Who is this Additional Ganiyu? Who is this guy? He's not qualified to be. He said it whenever doctor mentioned $1 million, my hair converted to naira. Ha. Oh, please send it out of the class. Send him out of my class. Yeah. Send this guy out of my class right now.
Coach, no, coach, he just need help, sir. He just need help, sir. Don't send him out. We are helping him.
Like you that help him. My anointing cannot help people like this. Because this is mental poverty. I hope you know this is mental now. And I've said this a million times. Poverty is a thing of the mind. Right? It has nothing to do with your power. It's just the mind.
Don't send me out too.
You know, it's just a thing of the mind. So you see that this one, his mind can't just factor $1 million. The mind, and this is what happens even on social media. When you see people come attack you or you make certain statements, their brain can't just absorb it. It's just, their brain is just boom, boom, boom. Like, no, it's not possible. You cannot force your reality on me. My own reality right now, right, is working towards becoming a billionaire in dollars. And your own reality is that even 1 million naira you don't have. Two different realities. And we have to understand life is in phases, men are in sizes. And that's one of the things I've had to do in my life. I've had to structure my life in such a way that there are two sides of people in my life. The people that I'm able to help with the money God blesses me with, and the people who are my customers. Okay? You know, it's as straightforward as that. Life is in phases, men are in sizes, you live your size per time. But don't force me, right? Don't force yourself to become my client if you can't afford me. Some people can't just afford me. And I also can't afford them. And to force me to force yourself on me is to mess up my own life, because some other commitments I have pledged, their children have pledged that I'm going to sponsor all through school. So if I don't make certain money, I won't even be able to meet up with the promise I made to send those kids to school. So a lot of times, some people don't know. Some of us put ourselves under some pressure. The children we are raising pass our own, just to put us under pressure to have reasons to want to continue to build wealth. Because we have gotten to a point where if it's me and my family, it's no longer my headache. Till I die, I can't struggle to take care of me and my family anymore. Right? If I focus on just selling my books and my coaching alone, I have enough money to take care of me and my family. But we have seen our life that is bigger than that. We look at life from the angle of people we employ, salaries to staff, people we're able to take care of, staff that are able to take care of their own family because they have a job with us, right? Orphans, people we work with. And that is the culture. And that's why I tell people, I say, when you choose to be poor, you are the most selfish human being on earth. Because two poor people can't help themselves. You can't even help anybody when you are poor. You can't. So what's there to admire about poverty? And then you now make it so nice, as if you are the modest human being. In my life, you know, I just need to be okay. What do you mean by that? That's the most selfish statement anyone can make. Right? Because I just want to be okay. You are not helping anybody. You want to change this world, make money so that you can help as many people as you can in this world. That is how you change the world. But to want to be poor, you're a selfish, greedy person. Because you are not helping anybody, but even your family self, you are struggling to help. So what is there to like? Okay. Love you guys, and thank you for being part of today's class. I leave it to Joshua Olulano to do some housekeeping, announce tomorrow's event, and any other announcement that we have, or told you, whoever is in chat. I love you all. Maiwa, thank you for doing this. Get ready. We need to do some more. I hope you have a chance on Saturday to be part of the Saturday event. I want to bring all my coaches together, and we should fire up everybody for next year. People have to dream big. They have to see themselves in a big way and take big action, not the one that $2,000 you won't pay, and yet you want to start making money from Forex. How will you get? We didn't get wishing. We're not wishing. We paid where we need to.
Yes, sir.
And we followed through the program. It was tough. Sometimes we empty our account, but we make this move. And that's why we're here. Okay, that's why we're here. Deborah Olga is raising hand. Deborah, what's your question? Why not type your question? Or it's a mistake that you raise your hand? The $1 million just made you raise your hand somehow. Oh, what? Okay, Joshua, please share the details again for those who are trying to make payments, and then you wrap up. Thank you all. God bless you all. Good night.
Wow, thank you very much, Doctor and Mr. Mayowa. Really appreciate your time. Really appreciate you. Thank you so much. We got a lot of value. We've been on this call now for at least 1 hour, 45 minutes, and it's a lot of value. Come on, if you are pumped for today, I just wanted to show appreciation in the chat box. Thank you, sir. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the value we got. Thank you, Mr. Mayowa. I can see a lot of people saying it. Mr. Emmanuel has done it. If you're pumped, just say it. Give your appreciation in the chat box. Right. Once again, I want to remind you that this offer lasts for today. Right. This offer lasts for today, and you want to do well to key in. Right. If you come tomorrow, say you need the offer. Sorry, it's back to normal price. The actual price is $10,000, but if you're paying today, you can pay $2,000 using the coupon code Christmas. Right. Tomorrow we have another session. It's going to be on cryptocurrency, crypto millions, how people are making it in that industry, and also how you can key in. Right. So we're also getting special discount on that offer. Right. But the Forex, today is the last day. I'm sure we've gotten everything we need to. Right. If you want to pay using international payments, you can go to stephenakintayo.com/FI offer. I repeat, Stephen Akintayo, www.stephenakintayo.com/FI offer. www.stephenakintayo.com/FI offer. Actual price $10,000, but we have a Christmas discount that can make you pay $2,000 if you are paying today. And you use the coupon code Christmas for you to get that discount on the site. If you want to transfer, just transfer direct $2,000 to the account number that I will drop in the, or Tochi can help me drop the account number in the chat box now. Right. So yes, we've learned a lot from Forex today, and I'm sure we are all ready to take this off. As I earlier mentioned, tomorrow we'll be having cryptocurrency mentorship with Mr. Dikpo Adeshino. Same time, 4 p.m. West African time, right? And you can calculate it based on where you are. That will be 7 p.m. UAE, right? And also 5 p.m. in South Africa. And I mean, just calculate with your own region. We'll be very happy to have you. And don't forget to share this link to others who you know registered and we are not able to join. If you have any questions, So yes, we're back. If you have any questions on any of our offers, you can always chat me up on the number I'll be dropping in the chat box right now. Just a second. Yes, that's my number, 081-80,618, 081-80,618. Brief recap that this offer lasts only for today. If you want to pay by international payments, www.stephenakintayo.com/offer. If you want to transfer, just transfer exactly $2,000 to the account number provided. If you have any question, you can always reach out to me, +234-81-80,618. If you have any questions concerning any of our offers, our books, our coaching, mentorships, or real estate, right? Once again, thank you for joining today. We'll be happy to have you tomorrow, same time, 4 p.m. West African time. Have a good night. Thank you.